welcome back to another video. We are down here at the JFK Causeway in Corpus Christi. The wind's blowing bad. I went to the Packery Channel Park for the kayak launch and it's closed. So we just pulled off the side of the road here. We're gonna put in and go putt around some islands, I guess, and go see if we can catch a fish or two. Yeah, well, so let's do it. All right, out. Gonna be dizzy. I don't know what I got, but it's moving. I don't think it knows it's caught yet. Don't get away from there. Oh my God. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a little red. Come here. Come here. I thought it. My bait slid up the line. I thought it was I thought I'd caught somebody else's line. A little 15-incher. Another little red, little rats. God, get on there, you little slimy sucker. 13 little rapids. Okay, hold on, I'll get you off. It's 3 fish and 3 casts. Let's see if I can do it on camera. Little trout. Little speck. I'm trying to get you in the water. Red. 14 and a half. Oh, I got a good something right here. What is it? Oh, I think it's a keeper red. Whoa, it went under the boat. Whoa. I don't know how to catch this thing. Over 20. Thank you, buddy. All right, got something. I don't know what it is. Oh man, stupid catfish, big old hardhead. Sorry everybody, I forgot to turn the GoPro on and say good morning. This is the second day out here, and we are over here in that spot where we caught that 20 and a half inch red yesterday. It took me about 45 minutes to get over here, and so we're gonna try it again with the same bait, same technique, and see if we can get those fish to bite like we got them to bite yesterday. That was the only keeper that we had, was the 20 and a half inch red. Everything else was all small, as you could see on the video, but it's better to catch those than to go out and not catch anything all day. So way better.
I missed one. I was messing with the camera, and I missed a good one. Right there. Let's see if he'll come back. Micro trout. Easy. Dang. He's a little guy. He's a little guy. There you go, buddy. Thank you. And caught a fish in a couple hours. Win.
blow so hard that I would have my gear takeout pulled out and it broke it. So no way to stop anywhere and fish a corner or fish a channel or anything or a bottom or anything because the wind's blowing so hard. So fish for us today. I think it's only noon. It's just blowing so hard. It's a protected area and it's got 1 foot rollers in it. You can see the wave. It's insane. Yeah, look at this. $60 takeout. It's broke in half. Well, not in half. Probably the bottom foot of it. It's just ridiculous. Never coming back down here again if the wind says it's going to be blowing over 20. Just like, nope, I'm not going to go. I have to cancel at the last minute because of the wind. Definitely worth it. I caught a rat red and a rat trout